Hey guys, welcome back to Kid Outdoorsman. Today I want to do a knife review. So I went and bought this old knife at the resale shop, and I'm just gonna show you it. So this is a stainless China knife. I don't know, but today we're going to be cutting two different kinds on. We're going to be cutting this 30-pound mono and this 17-pound mono and see how good it does. I'm going to do the 17-pound mono first. Like butter. We're going to do the 30-pound line now. So, just gonna pretty easy, but you know, I've seen better cuts. So, let's see if I just rub it. Let's see if I can cut it. If I just rub the line on my knife. Now, your knife has to be pretty dang sharp to do this, but yeah, I think I may be able to get it. And I got them. So, well, that's my little knife review. And it's just tiny. Fit in your pocket, and all you do is to see this back thing. You hold it down and move that at the same, and fold it. And put it on like that, and it's that small. It has this really nice wood color that I really like, and but some of the wood's a little ugly looking because stickers bit on it. So that's my knife review, and I recommend this knife. You know, if you have stringy pants and some string of cotton always comes up, that's really good. Or just cutting fishing line, it's really good for that. It's just a nice little knife to carry around with you. Well, that's it for today. But don't forget to like and subscribe to Kid Outdoorsman YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.